Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Decano Free, sabay-sabay ulit natin siyang i-greet ng isang masaya at malakas na happy birthday. Ready? 3! Happy birthday! Pagkatukan naman natin si Kuya Kim. Ayan, okay. Kuya Kim, ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you!
Ayan, lakas mo ng boses si Kuya Kim. Okay. Sir, sige po, pwede na po tayo po. Ayan, I'm sure na ready